Okay, it's February 6th, 2010. Washington, D.C., well, Leesburg, too, I'm in the suburbs, is in the middle of a blizzard. 27 inches so far, 12 hours to go. Let's take a look. It's, what, 7:18 this morning? Oh, yeah. We're not going anywhere for quite some time. The scope of that, because of all the bushes and trees all bent over. This is a crap load of snow. I've got some shoveling to do if I don't want my dog to piss everywhere, so I'll report back in a little. Yeah. Blizzard of 2010 in D.C. Mother Nature says, I owe you. Be happy. No, I'm not happy. I have to shovel this.